Hello family. Hello family. Welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to go over what I clean out my bar with. The glass area which is here because it gets a lot of dust. First I use paper towels and I use like a hand wipe or towel, whatever you want. Something that's 100% cotton to make sure that I get all the lint off. Okay, what I do, my favorite cleaner is glass cleaner, Form and Action. It's real good. It's ammonia free. It shines and it gets up any type of dust or fume off of your glass. Also, this have been used for your floors. If you have score floors in your home, like a new home, this is what they had recommend I use when I had built my home before. They put this on the floors also, so it's used for glass, also for scored floors. If you have a new home and you're doing some scored floors, this is perfect for it. But I use it also as a Windex. So let me show you what it do. Comes with a little top. And the can has the easiest top right here. I like it to have the big nozzle. I don't like the ones with the small nozzles like the Lysol, because those it tend to break a lot. These does not break when it come with the plastic top. So I spray a little like that. And I come with a paper towel first. And it won't hurt your wood or anything. Come with your paper towel. Bring it closer. Get a clean piece of paper towel. Paper towel. And clean. Look at that. Look how clean that came. Open it up in the inside. Do a little spray. Shake your can up. Do a little spray. I'll do the same thing here. And this a bar. This is where I keep some of my beverage. One of my videos, someone asked me where I got the entertainment center from. My husband got this from, where did he get this from? Cons. He got this one from Cons. That's where this one come from. Look how clean, see? And then what I do both sides. Make it nice and pretty. And so you got your lights on now. So then you have your disco lights. This is a great cleanser. I want to share that with you guys. And that is the glass cleanser. It cleans well. Spray. Look how it cleaned them. I'm trying not to be in the video because I want it to clean good. Get a fresh piece. Throw this away. Get a fresh one. Do it again. Just a smear. And after that, like I said, I usually take like a sock or something. Just clean both the in and out. And once you're finished with it, what I do, just to make sure, get you a sock or something. Something that's cotton. Get you a sock. And then take that and just rub it through there. Get in those corners. See them corners right here? Run your hand all the way around them corners. And that's to make sure you secure the cleanest. On your hand all in them corners. Make sure you don't have no smear. If you see some smear, come back. And that's how nice it is. Business Boss Housewife, subscribe. Wife, know how to do it. My housewife, thank you. But that is it. I love it. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. And I think I forgot to tell you how much. I think these are like $4. They're like $4. Thank you guys. Have a great day.